Listen and repeat.
어떻게 지내셨어요?
How have you been?
How have you been?
How have you been?
무슨 일 있어요?
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on?
오늘 날씨가 좋네요.
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
길을 잃었어요. 어떻게 가야 하나요?
I'm lost. How do I get there?
I'm lost. How do I get there?
I'm lost. How do I get there?
어제 뭐 했어요?
What did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
뭐 하고 싶으세요?
What do you feel like doing?
What do you feel like doing?
What do you feel like doing?
제일 좋아하는 취미가 뭐예요?
What's your favorite hobby?
What's your favorite hobby?
What's your favorite hobby?
오늘 밤에 뭐 할 거예요?
What are you doing tonight?
What are you doing tonight?
What are you doing tonight?
어디에서 만날까요?
Where should we meet?
Where should we meet?
Where should we meet?
어떤 음악을 좋아하세요?
What kind of music do you like?
What kind of music do you like?
What kind of music do you like?
어디에 가고 싶어요?
Where do you want to go?
Where do you want to go?
Where do you want to go?
어떤 TV 프로그램을 좋아해요?
What TV shows do you like?
What TV shows do you like?
What TV shows do you like?
휴가 때 어디로 가고 싶어요?
Where do you want to go on vacation?
Where do you want to go on vacation?
Where do you want to go on vacation?
좋은 영화 추천해 주세요.
Can you recommend a good movie?
Can you recommend a good movie?
Can you recommend a good movie?
주말에 뭐 할 계획이에요?
What are your plans for the weekend?
What are your plans for the weekend?
What are your plans for the weekend?
식당에서 테이블 예약할 수 있을까요?
Can I make a reservation at the restaurant?
Can I make a reservation at the restaurant?
Can I make a reservation at the restaurant?
언제 만날까요?
When should we meet?
When should we meet?
When should we meet?
어떤 스포츠를 좋아하세요?
What sports do you like?
What sports do you like?
What sports do you like?
주말에 약속이 있어요.
I have plans for the weekend.
I have plans for the weekend.
I have plans for the weekend.
어떻게 지내세요?
How are you doing?
How are you doing?
How are you doing?
피곤해요. 잠을 자야겠어요.
I'm tired. I need to sleep.
I'm tired. I need to sleep.
I'm tired. I need to sleep.
맛있는 식사하세요.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
좋은 하루 보내세요.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
곧 돌아올게요.
I'll be back soon.
I'll be back soon.
I'll be back soon.
감사합니다. 도움이 됐어요.
Thank you. That was helpful.
Thank you. That was helpful.
Thank you. That was helpful.
휴대폰을 놓고 왔어요.
I forgot my phone.
I forgot my phone.
I forgot my phone.
지갑을 잃어버렸어요.
I lost my wallet.
I lost my wallet.
I lost my wallet.
몸이 안 좋아요. 의사를 봐야 할 것 같아요.
I'm not feeling well. I think I need to see a doctor.
I'm not feeling well. I think I need to see a doctor.
I'm not feeling well. I think I need to see a doctor.
미안해요. 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
I'm sorry, please wait a moment.
I'm sorry, please wait a moment.
I'm sorry. Please wait a moment.
다음에 봐요.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later.
감사합니다. 오늘도 화이팅 하세요.